I'm going to show you how to run Kali Linux without installing. So for that, go to the browser and search for Linux Zoo and hit enter and click on welcome to Linux. And now you can see here welcome to Linux Zoo. So go here for account and click on this and click for register. So once click on that, you go over here and click here and give your names here, like I'm giving my name, that I mean email address and the password, and once again repeat the password and give the first name and the last name and click on accept this point and click on register. So once you click on register, continue, click here to continue. And right now click on join queue. Click on join queue. So now you can see here, you can see a Kali.1.0.6. so you can select whatever you need, like Windows 7, like Linux. You can select anything. So we need Kali Linux right now, so I am selecting Kali. So once you click on Kali and go for switch on. So once you switch on, so it is saying the server is busy, so wait for some time, and it is saying that it is running right now. So wait until the running is completed. So once it is completed, so it's showing that here it is completed. So click on connect. So once you click on connect, so you can see here the VNC, which says the JavaScript VNC. So click on this VNC. So it is connecting. So click on others. So once you click on connect, so give the username as root. It is same for everyone, and password as Kali, K-A-L-I, Kali, and enter. So the username and the password is same for everyone. So you successfully entered the Kali Linux right now. So for example, I will show something like open the terminal right now. Wait a minute, like click on the terminal and now I'm typing MSF. I'll take MSF console. So it takes some time because it is running on the internet, so it takes some time. So there is no need to install the Kali Linux before that, so you can directly install. I mean, you can directly run in the internet. So wait for some time. I'm just showing a command. Yeah, you can see here the Metasploit framework is going on right now, like MSF5. So like this, you can do anything else. So you can run the Kali Linux in the browser. So that's it. So not only the Kali Linux, you can do anything, like wait, I'll show. So I will off this and control and click on switch off and the power off. So what you are going to do is click on this arrow and select for Windows. You can select anything like here. So I'm connecting here Windows. So you need to firstly put off the power off, and once you select this and click on switch on, yeah, continue switch on, and again the browser is going to run. And click on VNC, and the window is going to start it again. So like this you can connect anything else. So you can run any OS like anything if you don't have anything like that. So that's it for this video.